Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS Control Tower for secure account governance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the AWS Management Console. Log in using your AWS account credentials. In the search bar at the top, type Control Tower. Click on AWS Control Tower from the drop-down menu. On the AWS Control Tower homepage, you'll see an overview of the service. Click on the Setup Landing Zone button to begin the setup process. Read through the prerequisites and implementation requirements. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to create accounts and manage resources. Select the Next button to continue. You will be prompted to choose your organizational units. Decide on a structure that fits your organization's governance model. Next, you will configure guardrails for your accounts. Review the available guardrails and select those that align with your security needs. Once chosen, click Next to proceed to the next configuration step. Set up your identity provider, if applicable. This will help you manage user access across your organization. On the next screen, configure your account settings. You'll need to provide details such as account names and email addresses. After entering the required information, click Next. Review your configuration summary carefully. Make sure everything aligns with your governance requirements. If all looks good, click the Provision button to create your Control Tower environment. This process may take several minutes to complete. Once finished, you will see a confirmation screen. You can now start managing your accounts under AWS Control Tower. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and explore the features available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.